Hello, everyone! Welcome to English TV with Jessica channel, the place where we make learning English easy and fun. I am so happy to see you today. I am Jessica, and as always, I am here with my good friend, Alex.
Hi, Jessica. Hi, everyone. Wow, Jessica, you look very energetic today. Why are you so happy?
Well, because today we are talking about something that everyone needs. Whether you are a student, a traveler, or looking for a job, you need this.
Oh, let me guess. Is it how to order coffee?
No, not today. Today we are answering the question, tell me about yourself.
Ah, the big question. You know, Jessica, many of my students tell me, Alex, I know English, but when someone says, tell me about yourself, I forget everything.
I understand that. Your mind goes blank. You think, what do I say? My name? My age? My favorite color? It can be stressful.
Exactly. So today, we are going to have a long, slow, and easy conversation. We will show you that you can talk about many things: your home, your job, your family, and even your pets.
Yes, and we will do it together. So, friends, take a cup of tea, sit down, and listen. And please, don't forget to subscribe. It helps our podcast grow.
Ready, Jessica? Let's show them how it's done.
Okay, Alex, let's start at the beginning. If I meet you at a party and say, hi, tell me a little bit about yourself, what is the first thing you say?
Well, the first thing is the name. It's simple. I say, hi, I'm Alex. Or, more formally, my name is Alex.
And sometimes people ask, how do you spell that?
Right. So I say A-L-E-X. It's a short name, so it's easy. What about you? Do you use a nickname?
Sometimes my friends call me Jess, but in a podcast or a job interview, I always say, my name is Jessica, Jessica.
Perfect. Then, usually, the next question is, where are you from?
Yes, I always say, I am from Canada. People usually say, oh, Canada, it's cold there. And then the conversation continues.
It's true, it is cold. I'm from the United States, but the United States is a big place, so I like to be specific. I say, I live in a small town in the US.
A small town. Do you live in a house or an apartment there?
I live in a house. It's not a big house. It's a small, old house, but it has a very nice garden. I like to sit in the garden and drink coffee. What about your home in the city?
Oh, I live in a big city. I live in an apartment on the 10th floor.
The 10th floor? Wow. Is it noisy?
Yes, it is very noisy. I can hear the cars and the people, but I like it because I am close to the shops and the museums.
So, for our listeners, you can say, I'm from and I live in a... Those are two great sentences for your introduction.
Now, Alex, let's talk about work. This is a big part of Tell Me About Yourself.
Yes, people want to know what you do with your time. For me, it's easy. I am a teacher. I work with students from all over the world.
That sounds like a great job. Do you teach every day?
Almost every day. I teach grammar, speaking, and listening. I love my job because I love to talk. What about you, Jessica? What is your job?
Well, I am a graphic designer. I am an artist. I use my computer to draw pictures and design websites.
That is so cool. So you work from home?
Yes, I work in my apartment. I have a big desk with 2 computers and many pens and pencils.
I see. And what about age? Some people think it's a secret.
In Canada and the US, it's usually okay to say, I am 25 years old.
And I'm 28. It's funny, when we are kids, we want to be older. When we are older, we want to be younger.
So true. But at any age, you can learn English. So, friends, you can say, I am number years old and I am a job. It's very clear.
Okay, Jessica, we know where you live and what you do, but what about the people in your life, your family?
I have a small family. I have one brother. His name is Tom. He is 29, so he is 1 year older than you, Alex.
Oh, really? What does Tom do? Is he an artist too?
No. Tom is very different. He works in a bank. He likes numbers and money. I like colors and pictures.
That's common in families. I have a sister, Sarah. She's younger than me. She's a student. She studies music at a university.
Music, that's wonderful. What does she play?
She plays the piano. She practices for 4 hours every day. Our house is always full of music. My mom is a writer, so she likes the music while she works.
Wow, a writer and a musician? What about your dad?
My dad is a doctor. He works at a big hospital. He's very busy, but he loves his work.
My dad is a chef. He works in a restaurant. On Sundays, he comes to my apartment and cooks a big dinner.
A chef? Jessica, you are very lucky. I want to visit your apartment on Sunday.
You are welcome anytime, Alex, but you have to be careful of Luna.
Luna? Oh, your cat.
Yes, Luna is my pet. She is black and white. She is very beautiful, but she is very, very sleepy. She doesn't like new people.
Well, my dog Max loves everyone. He's a brown dog and he is always happy. When I come home, he jumps and wags his tail.
Cats and dogs, they are so different, just like us.
To finish our introduction, we should talk about fun things, hobbies. Jessica, what do you do when you are not drawing?
I love to read. I love adventure stories. You know, stories about traveling to jungles or old cities. It helps me relax.
Reading is great. For me, it's music and sports. I love rock music, old bands from the 70s and 80s. And on Saturdays, I play soccer.
You play soccer? Are you a good player?
I try. I'm not a professional, but it's fun to run and be outside. It's better than sitting in a chair all day.
I agree. I also love food. My favorite food is pasta, any kind of pasta. But I really don't like olives.
No olives? Why not?
I don't know. I don't like the smell or the taste. They are too salty for me. What about you? Is there a food you hate?
I don't like very spicy food. My mouth feels like it's on fire. No, thank you. And I don't like waiting for a bus or waiting in a line at the supermarket. It makes me feel impatient.
Oh, I'm the same. And I hate waking up early. My alarm goes beep beep at 7 a.m. and I think, no, 5 more minutes.
We have a lot in common, Jessica.
We do. And that is the secret, friends. When you talk about yourself, you find things in common with other people.
Exactly. So don't be afraid. Talk about your name, your job, your pets, and your favorite pizza. It's the best way to make friends.
Well, our time is up for today. This was a very long and fun chat.
It was. Friends, now it's your turn. Go to the comments and tell us about yourself. We want to read about your lives.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone.
Hello again, everyone. Welcome back to English TV with Jessica. I'm so happy you're here for part 2 of our big topic.
Hi everyone. In our last video, we talked about the basics, our names, jobs, and where we live. If you haven't seen it, go check it out.
Yes, it's a great start. But today, Alex, I want to go deeper. Often people ask, what are you like? This is also a part of the question, tell me about yourself.
You're right, Jessica. Usually, after the facts, people want to know your personality. Are you hardworking? Are you creative? Are you a people person?
Exactly. So today, we will talk about our characters, our strengths, and how we handle stress.
This is very useful for job interviews too. So friends, keep your notebooks ready. Let's start.
Okay, Alex, let's start with a tricky question. How would you describe your personality in 3 words?
3 words. I think I am patient, organized, and reliable.
Those are teacher words, right? You have to be patient with students.
Yes, if a student doesn't understand a rule, I explain it again. And I am organized because I have many lessons every day. I cannot be late.
That's a great point. Reliable is a very strong word. It means people can trust you. What about me? What do you think?
I think you are very creative, energetic, and ambitious.
Ambitious? Why do you say that?
Because you are always working on new projects for your design business. You want to grow and learn new things.
That's true. I like to have goals. For our listeners, words like patient, creative, and reliable are perfect for your self-introduction. They show who you really are.
Now, Jessica, let's talk about something harder. What is your biggest challenge? What is your weakness?
Oh, that's a tough one. I think my weakness is that I'm a perfectionist.
Some people think that's a good thing.
It can be, but sometimes I spend too much time on one drawing. I want every pixel to be perfect. Sometimes I need to say, "Okay, Jess, it's finished. Move on."
I understand. I have a different problem. I find it hard to disconnect. Because I love teaching, I often check my emails late at night.
So you are a bit of a workaholic.
Maybe a little bit. I'm learning to put my phone away at 8 p.m. and just relax.
This is important, friends. When you talk about yourself, being honest about your challenges makes you sound real. Nobody is perfect.
Jessica, your job as a designer has many deadlines. How do you handle stress?
I try to stay calm. When I have a lot of work, I make a to-do list. I write everything down on paper. It helps my brain feel less heavy.
I do that too. Crossing things off a list feels so good.
It really does. I also go for a short walk. Even 10 minutes of fresh air helps me think better. What about you, Alex? Teaching can be stressful too.
When I feel stressed, I listen to music. As you know, I love old rock music. It gives me energy. And I try to drink a lot of water and eat a healthy lunch.
Good habits. So if someone asks how you work under pressure, you can say, "I stay organized and I take short breaks to stay fresh."
Exactly. It shows you have a plan.
One last thing, Alex. Are you an introvert or an extrovert?
I think I'm in the middle. I like people. I like talking to my students. But after work, I need some quiet time alone in my garden.
I'm definitely an extrovert. I love meeting new people and talking. That's why I love doing this podcast with you.
And that's why we are a good team.
We really are. Well, friends, we have covered a lot today. Personality, strengths, weaknesses, and how we work.
This is a full picture of yourself. Now you can talk about your facts and your character.
Practice these words: patient, organized, perfectionist, calm. They will help you sound confident.
Don't forget to write your personality words in the comments below. Tell us, what are you like?
Thank you for watching English TV with Jessica.
See you in the next episode. Stay confident and keep practicing.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.